Imagine standing at the threshold of an exciting creative career, your dreams laid out. But suddenly one colossal challenge blocks your path, creating a stunning portfolio website without any coding knowledge. How frustrating, right? That's the problem we're going to tackle today, one that's all too familiar if you're diving into design, writing, or any creative field without a tech background. Here's the deal. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to use AI tools like Wix AI, ChatGPT, and Copy.ai to craft, populate, and optimize a professional portfolio that turns heads and opens doors. Let's break it down into manageable steps so you can go from idea to execution without headache or hassle. Let's start with Wix AI. You see, Wix AI is a godsend for beginners, acting like your personal web designer. Open Wix and tell it you want to create a portfolio website. It'll start by firing off a few simple questions about your field and style preference. Right off the bat, you're steering the automated design process, which is as hands-on as you'll need to get. Once you're in, Wix AI will generate a layout tailored to your specs, complete with sections ideal for showcasing your work, testimonials, and more. Think of it like this. You're Aladdin. Wix AI is your genie. It handles the heavy lifting while you maintain control of its direction. Select the elements you want, and voila, your site structure begins to take shape. Writing content is often where folks get stuck. Enter ChatGPT, your new best friend for smashing writer's block. Jot down the basic ideas of what you want each page of your site to convey, your biography, project descriptions, the whole shebang. Next, plug those ideas into ChatGPT with prompts like, write a professional bio highlighting my journey as a designer, or describe the impact of my key projects in the tech industry. Here's a quick tip. Be specific in your prompts to get the most relevant output. And just like that, ChatGPT drafts clear, engaging content that resonates with prospective employers or clients, minimizing those hours spent staring at blank screens. Now let's finesse this further. Copy.ai will assist in refining your communication, specific phrases, titles, taglines. Perhaps you're writing a tagline that sums up your unique design approach. Feed it to Copy.ai with, generate compelling taglines for a graphic designer focused on sustainability. Within seconds, it'll spit out polished, compelling options, and you're good to go. But creating a website is more than just aesthetics and content. You also need to optimize it for the job market. This is where strategy meets creativity. Wix has great SEO tools built in to help your site climb the ranks, and leveraging the AI's suggestions, you can ensure your portfolio gets seen by the right eyes. Begin by using their SEO Wiz, which will suggest keywords and metadata to make your site both search engine friendly and industry relevant. Speaking of keeping things relevant, here's a little secret. Storytelling is your secret weapon. When presenting your projects, think of them as case studies. Dive into challenges and resolutions you faced professionally. Remember that time you had a deadline crunch but still delivered impeccable work? Use these mini stories to engage recruiters, showing not just what you can do, but how you do it. Before we wrap this up, remember your journey with AI is a powerful partnership. You bring the creativity, AI brings the efficiency. Each element we've touched on today integrates to form a seamless creation process that would typically take weeks, if not longer, to complete manually. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with someone else wrestling with portfolio challenges, and subscribe for more hands-on AI tips and tools. I love hearing from you, so leave a comment below about the AI tools you're most excited to use. Remember, you're not alone in this. Together, we're part of AI Thunder, a community diving into AI without fear, making professional dreams tangible single click at a time. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Catch you next time on AI Thunder, where possibilities strike fast.